There are places in every home that always get messy. Over and over again, mess after mess after mess. Wouldn't it be great to have on-the-spot vacuum power for places like this? Well, you can with Spot by Vroom, the vacuum accessory that uses the power of your central vacuum to clean where messes happen day after day after day. It's always at the right spot. See the mess. There's the vacuum. Pull out the hose. Start. Vacuum mess. Then the hose vanishes as quickly as the dirt. Reach up to 15 feet to keep always messy spots spotlessly clean. Wow! Clean places, dirt stays just out of reach. Dryer filters, litter boxes and food dishes, even pets themselves. Wow! So many messes, so little time. Add Spot by Vroom to your central vacuum and put the wow in the wall where it belongs.